In this video, I'll show you StayBranch, the platform that lets you rent out your condo, beach house, or RV lot directly to guests and keep 100% of every booking. No Airbnb fees, no VRBO commission. Your brand, your guests, your money. By the end of this video, you'll know how to list a property, take bookings on your own site, message guests automatically, run your cleaning schedule, and sync it all with Airbnb. Getting started takes 2 clicks. Go to StayBranch.com, hit Start Free Trial, and you're in. StayBranch on its own is $29 a month. And because it runs on ClientBranch, you can step up to the growth plan anytime and add the full CRM, invoicing, marketing, and a website builder around your rentals. Same login, same data, either way. Once you're signed up, your rental business lives under Rentals in the left menu. I'm inside a demo account called Bloom Getaways, with a beach cottage, a bay view condo, and an RV lot, so you can see everything working with real data. Up top, your vitals at a glance: properties listed, how many are live, upcoming stays, 30-day occupancy, and what you've collected. Below that is the link to your public booking site, and we'll visit it in a minute. Every property is a card with its cover photo, live status, location, and nightly rate. Green means guests can book it right now. Let's talk about listing a place. Click New Property, and one clean form handles everything. Pick the type: house, condo, private room, cabin, even an RV lot or campsite. Give it a title, a headline, and a description that sells the stay. Then photos, location, capacity, and pricing, all on this one page. I'll open the finished cottage so you can see a complete listing. Photos drag straight in, and the first one becomes your cover. Pricing is where StayBranch starts earning its keep: nightly base rate, cleaning fee, and a refundable damage deposit. Type your tax rate once, and every quote calculates it automatically. Then click into Smart Pricing, because one flat rate leaves money on the table. This cottage charges 20% more in the winter high season, 15% more on Fridays and Saturdays, and gives 10% off for week-long stays. You set the rules once. Every quote a guest sees applies them automatically, in the right order, per night. Back in the listing, scroll down to the section your guests will love you for. Guest experience and check-in, your Wi-Fi name and password, door codes, parking notes, an emergency contact, even a mini guidebook of your favorite coffee spot and the best sunset. Fill this in once, and StayBranch delivers it to every guest at exactly the right moment. Let me show you what they get. Every confirmed guest gets a personal trip page like this. No app, no login. Emily checks in 2 days from now, so her check-in details just unlocked. Door code, Wi-Fi, house rules, the guidebook. She also got all of this by email automatically the day before arrival, and after checkout she'll get a friendly review request. You wrote none of it by hand. All of that guest messaging is yours to control under Rentals Settings. Payments run through your own Stripe account, so booking money lands directly with you, and the damage deposit works the way Airbnb does it. An authorization hold placed the day before arrival and released after checkout, so guests never see a charge unless something breaks. Prefer to vet guests first? Switch off instant payment and approve requests instead. And here are the guest messages themselves: booking confirmation, pre-arrival, review, request, and cancellation. Edit the email subject, the full body, and the text message for each one, or start from a ready-made template. Guests get both email and SMS automatically. Now the fun part. This is what guests see: your own booking site, live the moment you flip it on, your brand, your listings, and not a cent of commission. Guests can filter by dates, party size, property type, and price. Flip to map view and every listing pins itself, city level only, so your exact address stays private until someone books. Click into a listing and guests get the full picture: gallery, amenities, house rules, cancellation policy, and real reviews, including ones imported from Airbnb. Every listing also ships proper structured data, so Google can show it as a rich result. Let's price a stay exactly like a guest would. Check in September 7th. Check out the 11th. 4 guests, and there's the live quote. Nightly rate with the weekend bump already applied, cleaning fee, taxes, all itemized before they commit. With Instant Book and payments on, guests pay by card right here, and the booking confirms itself, day or night. Every reservation lands here in Bookings. Who's coming, when, what they paid, and the status of every stay. Need to cancel? One click refunds the guest through Stripe, releases the deposit hold, reopens the dates, and emails them. All in one go. And canceled clutter can be deleted to keep this list clean. The calendar is your master availability view across every property. Gold is a direct booking, blue came from a connected platform, and white blocks are dates you've held back yourself. And here's the Airbnb question everyone asks. Channel sync. Copy your StayBranch calendar link into Airbnb so it can never double book you, and paste Airbnb's calendar link here so their bookings block your dates automatically. It refreshes every hour, hands-free. This cottage is already connected. Now my favorite part, because turnovers are where rental owners drown. The cleaning tab. Maria is Bloom's cleaner. Assign her to a property once, and every booking, whether it came from your site or from Airbnb, schedules its turnover clean on the guest's checkout date automatically. She gets notified about new jobs and reminded 3 days before each clean by email and text. Here's the schedule itself. See the blue channel sync badges? Those cleans were created straight from the Airbnb calendar. Nobody typed them in. And if a booking comes in off platform, say over the phone, Add a Cleaning puts it on the schedule in seconds. Watch. Click Add a Cleaning. Pick the property, the date the clean is due, and a note for the cleaner. Add it, and Maria is notified instantly. It's on the schedule with everything else. Cleaners can also flag supplies running low, right from their phone. Requests land here, you get an email the moment one arrives, and you work them from open, to ordered, to done. No more finding out there's no toilet paper from a guest review. And every message to or from a cleaner is logged right here. Job alerts, reminders, schedules, supply requests, plus any one-off message you send with the message button. No more scrolling through months of texts wondering what you agreed to. This is Maria's side of it. A private link. No app, no password, no login. Her job's in order, with addresses that open straight into Google Maps. One tap to mark a clean done, and the supplies form right at the bottom. Send your cleaner the link once, they save it to their home screen, and you never make another cleaning phone call. Reviews round it all out. Every completed stay triggers a review request automatically. Respond publicly, hide anything unfair, and if you're moving over from Airbnb or VRBO, import your existing reviews so your listing never starts from zero. So that's the whole system. List your properties, take commission-free bookings on your own site, let the guest messaging and check-in details send themselves, sync with Airbnb, and run your entire cleaning operation without lifting the phone. If rentals are your business, StayBranch is $29 a month at StayBranch.com. Want the rentals engine plus the full CRM, invoicing, marketing, and website builder? It's all included in ClientBranch Growth at $97. Either way, start your free trial today, list your first property, and keep 100% of your next booking. See you in the next one.